Data entry also has been a big process across industry. There has been provider to make data entry. Then it evolves. OCR came into picture, and OCR solved the first problem that converting scanned text or image-based document into machine-readable format,
Yep.
and that was important. But OCR did not understand business meaning. It could read 1 million amount, but it did not know whether it is invoice value, taxable value, total payable value, or it is advance. It could read words, but it could not really interpret context. So OCR was necessary, but not sufficient. So people deployed OCR and then tried to interpret it and try to automate the uh, data that it read from those scanned documents or images into system. However, it was okay to convert into text, but understanding data was a problem. And then came templates. Okay, so there are many IDP came which was template based, that if you have a document, make a template, train the system that what amount, what field is where in that image. Okay, so a template based OCR, template based IDPs will go into that document and try to figure out an, a place where something is there. Let's assume if you are trying to find out your mm, invoice number. Okay, so it exists somewhere in the document, and the template based IDP requires you to point out where exactly it is. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
there are people who will make those templates for each format. So the work shifted from manual entry to automated entry, but the work shifted to the people who will make template. This was not too much of work, okay, in comparison to data entry. It reduced data entry, but brought in work for template creators.